Hello guys from my bicycle shop. Today I'm so happy to tell you about Japanese bicycle. This bicycle for girl around 7 to 9 years old. It's 20 size inch. It is very attractive bicycle for girl to ride to school or ride to market. You know that Japanese bicycle is good quality to use for all situations and anywhere that we want to use it. So please watch all together, and if you have any question or you don't understand any point in my video, please you write comment down. To conclude, I would like to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more new video. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye. Good luck.